Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I prepare meals for a week, sometimes for longer. I do that because sometimes I feel very tired. In case I don't feel like cooking also, I can just get one from the refrigerator and ready to go. So what I'm making today is mostly for weight loss. I'm using only vegetable, fresh vegetable. As you can see, I have all kind of vegetable. I have green onions. I also have green beans, sweet pepper, spinach, chicken breast, tomatoes, carrots, and some cucumber. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting the chicken. After I put some chicken, doesn't matter what order you put them, as long as you put a little bit of each in the ziploc. Now I'm putting some potatoes and some tomatoes and all that. And this is a very good way to stay healthy and to always have something ready for you to eat in case you very tired and all that. That's really helping me to lose weight and to stay healthy. Mostly at that moment you really need to boost your immune system, and all these good vegetables are very good for you. After I add all the vegetable in the ziploc, I also add a little bit of seasoning. I also add some olive oil, you will see that, and I add a little bit of vinegar and all that to make sure I get the taste that I really want when I'm cooking. You can always add a little bit of something else, like when you're cooking the food. If you feel like something is missing, you can always add a little bit of something else, like salt or something. But for now, it's very important that you have the most important part of it ready. If you would like to see more of my meal preps and other things that I make to stay healthy, please leave me a comment. And the most important is to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification. That way you can receive all my videos each time I upload. After I add everything to the bag, I add the oil, the seasoning. I make sure to shake the bag very good just to mix them up all together. That way the seasoning can get into the chicken, and when you cook it, it can taste way better. If you have a different way of preparing your meal for a week or for even longer, please share it with us in the comment section below. That way everyone can learn something new from you. As you can see, I prepared 5 bags, one for each day. Not only that will save me time, and that also will save me money. I put them in the refrigerator, and when I need them, I just grab one and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.